Good morning students. In previous period we discussed about the carnivorous animals. Carnivorous means what? The animals, they eat the flesh of other animals. They kill the other animals and eat their flesh. These animals are known as the carnivorous animals. Now what are the qualities of the carnivorous animals? They are having the strong teeth. Why? Because they kill the other animals, they flesh the flesh of the other animals. They are having the strong jaws to tear the flesh. They are having the good eyesight. Then they are having strong limbs with sharp claws. This helps them to run after the prey and catch the prey. With the help of these strong limbs, they run after the prey, and with the help of these sharp claws, they catch the prey. Now some examples: lion, tiger, they kill the bigger animals also. Some snakes are also carnivorous. They swallow the whole food. Then shark, fish, some fish also the carnivorous. For example, the shark, they eat the other fish and eggs of the other water animals. Then some birds also, like eagle, vulture, they are also the carnivores. They also kill small animals and they eat them. Then some insects also, like dragonfly, then ladybird beetle. These insects, they are also the carnivores. Ladybird beetle is known as the friend of the farmer. Why? Because the insects which damage the crops, that insects eaten by the ladybird beetle, and that's why this ladybird beetle is also known as the friend of the farmer. Now in today's period we discuss about the omnivorous animals. Omnivorous animals means what? The animals which they eat both. So students, in today's period we discuss about the omnivorous animals. Omnivorous means what? The animals, they eat both. They eat the plants as well as they eat the flesh of other animals or insects or small birds or small animals. These animals are known as the omnivorous animals. Now see, some examples are given: peacock, peahen, cock, sparrow, then fox, pet dog. Pet dog means what? Those found at your home, not at the jungle. These are the pet dogs. So these animals are known as the omnivorous animals. Now here, see students, if you observe the peacock, what peacock eat? Peacock eat the small snakes also, then small insects. Similarly, they eat the tenders, then leaves, then some parts of the plants also. Similarly, fox. Similarly, the peahen. If you observe the sparrow eats the grains. If you given them some grains, so the sparrow eats the grains. Similarly, it eats the caterpillar also, small caterpillars. So those animals eat both, means parts of the plant as well as the small insects or small animals. These all animals are known as the omnivorous. Now see students, if you found the pet dog, so pet dog you found at your home, these pet dogs are the omnivorous. But if you found the dogs at the jungle, so they are not the omnivorous. Why? Because they only kill the other animals, small animals, and eat their flesh. So if you return only dog, so it is not the omnivorous. You have to return down the pet dog, means whatever dogs found at your home, that is the pet dog, and these are also the omnivorous. Bear is also the omnivorous. Now see students, apart from herbivorous animals, in very first period we discuss about the herbivorous animals. In next previous period we discuss about the carnivorous animals. Which are the carnivorous animals? What are the qualities of their? And in today's period we discuss about the omnivorous animals. Yes. Now apart from these three, some animals, they are having their specific eating habits. So now let's discuss about these animals. Which are that? How they eat or what are their eating habits, that we discuss now. lap up that liquid. So this process is known as, this eating habit is known as the lapping. They lap up the food. They lap up the food. Which animals? Dog and cat. They take out their tongue and they lap up the food. Now some insects. Insects means which type? Honeybees, butterflies. Might be you observe that they always sitting on the flowers. They collect the nectar. Then how they collect the nectar? Nectar means what? We discussed in the previous lesson. Which one? That parts of the plant, flowers having the good sweet liquid part, that is known as the nectar. This nectar is sucked by the insects. Which insects? This bees, then butterflies. So these insects, they suck the nectar from the flower with the help of thin tube. With the help of thin tube. This thin tube is attached with their mouth. Which animals? Which insects? Bees, butterflies, in mosquito also. Mosquito suck the blood from our body. Other animals. So they are having the thin tube, hollow tube. With the help of this tube, they suck the food. They take their food. These animals, these insects, and this is known as the proboscis. This tube is known as the proboscis. Now see students, in today's period, what we discussed about the omnivorous animals. What are the omnivorous animals? How they feed, which type of food they eat. Then apart from this dog and this cat, how they take their food, which process they follow. Then insects such as bees, butterflies, then mosquitoes, how they took their food with the help of this hollow thin tube. So this is all about the omnivorous animals and some eating habits of the other animals. Okay, so have a nice day students.